Hello, I'm Rob Wallace, and today I'd like to show you how to produce an arrangement on a product from Corsage Creations range called Simple Elegance. Okay, let's have a closer look at the components that we will need to produce this design. What we have here is a Simple Elegance bracelet, 8 centimeters in size, 2 flowing willow leaves, a piece of amazing wraps, a smashing little product called Waterfall, some wired dazzle line, Chinchirinchy Rabicum florets, 4 pieces of kalanchoe, 2 spray roses, 3 pieces of soft ruscus, and the most important, floral adhesive from Smithers Oasis. I've tried scores in the past, but none of them are as good as this. This is the one I would recommend you to use. To start off, I'm going to take the Simple Elegance bracelet, remove the sellotape, get it out of the work area, unravel in the ribbon, and I'm just going to use 2 simple shoelace knots to make sure that that disc stays firmly in contact with the bracelet. It's up to you whether you cut this off or not, it depends on whatever. I'm then going to apply some adhesive liberally over the disc. Take a little piece of amazing wraps material and completely cover the transparent disc and wait a few moments for that to dry off. In order to show you what I'm doing, I've placed the bracelet onto a black tube. The next trick is to take some willow leaf, take a long nose pliers and gently twist the end round to increase the surface area, which, having had glue applied to it, will help to adhere the leaves to the base. Second willow gone in. If you see these strands of glue coming off, don't worry about it, they'll come off. No problem whatsoever. I'm now taking 2 pieces of the dazzle line, the wired dazzle line. Amazing little product. We'll show you how this works later on. I'm just leaving them in place, waiting for the glue to go off. It'll move about a bit, but in a moment or two it'll be no problem whatsoever. And I'm taking some tips of soft ruscus just to break the brilling effect caused by the amazing wraps and getting a slight reaction between the component parts. I think a third one will be needed to complete what florists call a line within an outline. And this is giving a good visual base before the flowers will be applied and an opportunity for that glue to go off. Okay, now for the fun bit. I'm just gluing some flowers into position. You can pre-glue if you want to, it speeds up the drying time. Combination is both is good. 2 Chinchirinchy florets has gone into it. A spray rose, the focal flower, smack in the middle, brings the colour and vibrancy of the bracelet to life. A second rose to give a little bit of stability and increases that little focal area. Shouts out, look at me. Another texture of kalanchoe adds vibrancy and strengthens that focal area. I'm just going to let that go off a minute. It'll settle down and I can tap it in place. You can see that little floret, that rose moving before it goes off. I'm just going to put another Chinchirinchy there just to wedge it in space, a little bit like cement, bonding the flowers together. And now I'm going to add in another little product, Cara's Kisses Waterfall. I don't want the long tail of it, so I've removed this one. I'm going to apply some glue And when the lady in the prom wears this, this little dangling effect is going to actually make her the belle of the prom. Now just while that's going off, I'd just like to say that this product that we said earlier on, this product called Wired Dazzle Line, it means that you can manipulate this into shape. A little bit like the willow leaves. But its unique feature means that you can make little shapes like this and just add a little bit of interest. Makes your design a little bit better than anybody else's. And I've just had a thought. I've got 2 chinchorrinchis left on the base, and I'm thinking those little circles would look nice if the chinchorrinchi are just dangling there in an extension format. And there you have it. Simple design, minutes to make, not going to fall apart. I can pick this up at no problem at all with the leaves to demonstrate how strong it is. To sum up, I've taken a simple Elegance bracelet, 2 flowing willow leaves, 2 pieces of wired dazzle line, the flowers are spray roses, kalanchoe, soft ruscus and chinchorrinchi florets, and the lovely Cara's Kisses waterfall sets it apart. It'll sparkle and dance with every movement of her arm. So this is the finished product. This demonstrates how strong the glue is. That focal rose, safe as houses. Hope you enjoy making it. I look forward to seeing you next time.